In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change default status option in Notion. If you work with tasks, roadmaps, or any type of project tracker, setting a default status can save time and keep your workflow consistent. Let's walk through it together in a clear, simple way. First, open the database where you want this change to apply. This could be a table, a board, a list, or any other database view in Notion. The key is that you are looking at a database, not just a standalone page. Once you are in the right place, make sure you can see the properties at the top of the database because that's where we'll make the adjustment. Next, go to the three-dot menu in the top right corner of the database view. This menu controls view and database settings. Click it to open the panel where you can manage how your database behaves and what properties are shown. From there, choose Properties. In the Properties panel, locate the property labeled Status. Click on it to open the editing options. If you have multiple properties, double-check that you are selecting the one that's actually of the status type, not a select or multi-select. The status property is designed for workflows and often works best with boards and timelines. Inside the status property editor, you'll see groups typically organized as to do, in progress, and complete. These groups help you map a task's lifecycle. Within each group, you'll find individual status options, each with its own label and color. Take a moment to review what's already there and think about what you want new items to start as. For example, many teams prefer new items to begin as to do or backlog. Now choose the specific status option you want to be the default. If the exact option you need doesn't exist, use the plus sign to create a new one and give it a clear name that fits your workflow. After selecting the option, choose Set as Default. This tells Notion that every new page created in this database should automatically use that status, so you don't have to set it manually each time. Once that's set, you are done. From now on, any new item you add to this database will automatically adopt the default status you selected. Existing items won't be changed, so your current work remains intact. If you ever want to adjust the default again, just repeat these steps and pick a different option. That's it. You've successfully streamlined your workflow by setting a default status in Notion. Thanks for watching.